Okay, so this is the Honda Accord and nicely packaged, coming from China, I think. Yes, and let us open it up and we will be right back. Okay, so we're back. Open the box up, and this is the packaging that it is on the inside, so it's even so much more sturdy, securely packed.
Yeah. And this one,
this can get damaged.
yeah, I don't know how to take this out. Let me try. And this one doesn't have a picture on the car at the side. This has the Honda logo written out at the top. You can see it in red. And then, yeah, I can take this out.
The whole thing is side. You have to take.
Oh.
You have to pick the whole thing up.
Okay. So not gonna come out. Yeah, so I have the car in my hand right now. So okay.
1 hour later.
Our drive.
Yeah, see, this is the one.
So this
Honda
is
Accord 10th edition.
10th generation.
10th generation.
And on this side it even has some blue. A little bit. I don't know if the camera is gonna get that, but it's blue a little bit here. And then it says, "Your dreams, our drive."
Yes.
And that's the Japanese Honda logo, I'm guessing. And then,
Whoa, look at that.
oh wow. The whole Accord logo, I can put that right next to it.
It's crazy.
Yeah. It says 10th right there in gray. Right underneath Accord, and it has Japanese. And then, underneath here, I'm guessing here. Yep, I see it.
Different packaging than the XC90 that we did earlier.
Okay, let me see. I can lift it, yep. Oh, it's way heavier.
Way heavier than XC90.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, this is gonna be a bit harder, just like last time. Probably. I can see the tissue. I'm gonna pull the tissue out like last time. Yeah, let me just. Okay, let me pull it from this side, I'm guessing, and then yeah.
1 hour later.
But yeah, this is the car. It has the sunroof, so yeah, and then right here's the trunk, and it has something, I don't know what that is, but this is right there, probably a thing for the underneath to like open it, so it's just a string. And then it has the Honda engine. It's the back seats in here, and then as you can see, the top opens, as the camera probably showed before. And then, yeah, and then it has the seat adjustments, and there's
the seat belts also.
yeah. Then yep, and they don't really need this. And then it has the seat belts, the AC. It has all the little buttons for the navigation right there. For the screen, has the volume knob and everything. Cup holder, shifter, parking brake, everything. The AC vents. And the mirrors also fold out. Okay. And then the little antenna. And then it says Accord in Japanese right here too on the plate. And then this is also the EXL trim, because it has the EXL wheels. And then it has the little trunk blink, or not trunk, the mirror blinkers right there. Right there, the chrome pieces are, and then all the little hoses and everything that there needs to be. The Honda, it says Earth Dreams, I think, Honda engine, the Earth Dreams engine, all the way in there. It's like right, that piece. And then, right, that's the Earth Dreams technology engine. And then they have the little, so we'll see for that. And then the structure and everything, the same material. And then you get the storage bin right there that they would have, where you can just like, you can push the button and it'll go up, and then you can put your stuff in there, right down in there, right behind the cup holders, between the seats, that whole thing. And then that's also the armrest. And then you can see this says the, oh, I didn't see this. It says the 260 touring all the way right there. It's missing a part of the G, but I see that. It's like very, very small, but I don't know what's gonna notice that. And then it got the, what is it, the antenna lines that they would use. And then they got the exhaust, the fake exhaust cover that they use. Because the exhaust in real, they're actually circled, but they just put the pieces on like that in real life too. And then I was thinking if the gas thing would open, but it looks like it doesn't. There's a gap, but I guess it just doesn't open. And then, yeah, there's the EXL wheels. And then, yeah, and the seat belt buckles. So really good. And this right here too is the Accord thing right here. So we could have like
Right.
yeah. And so we could have it kind of like a little display thing. So we can put like the box right here. There's like this thing right here. And then we could display the car kind of like this. And we could have it like turned a little bit. And we can have like all the parts closed, so it's just the car itself. And it has, we could take like a little picture or something like that with everything like this. And it says Accord. And then, yeah, that looks really, really nice. It's a very good car. I actually said I want one in real life when I get older as my first car, because I like the design and everything. That says Accord, and right behind the A it says 10th. And then, yeah, and I think that's about it. So you have the big A for the Accord, and then you got the little air vents in there too, the wipers, the air vents right by the end right there. And I got the sensing, Honda sensing thing that they use right there, the little triangle for it. And then it would probably have it right behind, right here, 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 right here, 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 here. That's all the Honda sensing stuff. And they probably have it in the back too, yeah. It's like little tiny little dots that they have, very small. And then the brake light, the third brake light there, the headrest, and everything. So this is a really, really good car. It's a very good car.